guys, in this part we will discuss on the anterior supply of the lateral wall of the nose. In the anterior supply, to study this, we need to know this lateral wall has been divided into four quadrants, that is the anterior superior part, anterior inferior part, and posterior superior part and posterior inferior part. The anterior superior part is supplied by the anterior and posterior ethmoidal artery, which is shown in this diagram here. And anterior inferior part is supplied by the branches of facial artery, which has been shown in this diagram here. And the posterior inferior quadrant is supplied by the branches from the greater palatine artery, which has been shown here. And this artery pierces the perpendicular plate of palatine bone and passes upward through the incisive fossa. And the posterior superior part is supplied by the branches from the sphenopalatine artery, which is shown here. And now for the nervous supply. The lateral wall of the nose has been divided into four quadrants, that is the anterior superior part, anterior inferior part, and posterior superior part and posterior inferior part. And anterior superior part is supplied by the anterior ethmoidal nerve. Anterior inferior quadrant is supplied by the anterior superior alveolar nerve, a branch of infraorbital continuation of maxillary nerve, and which is shown here. And posterior superior part is supplied by the lateral posterior superior nasal branch of the pterygopalatine ganglion, and posterior inferior quadrant is supplied by the anterior palatine branch from the pterygopalatine ganglion. Now for the special sensory nerve or olfactory nerve, which are distributed to the upper part of the lateral wall just below the cribriform plate of the ethmoid up to the superior concha, which we can see here in this diagram. Now for the clinical anatomy. In this clinical anatomy include the hypertrophy of the mucosa of the inferior nasal conchae is the common feature of allergic rhinitis, which is characterized by sneezing, nasal blockage, and excessive watery discharge from the nose. That's all for the clinical anatomy. And that's all for this topic. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you don't like it, dislike it. And subscribe my channel so that I will get motivated to create more videos for you. And click on the bell icon and click on the all so that you will get notification on my future videos. And share this video to your friends and comment this video so that I will improve my videos for you. Thank you, and we will meet soon.